Search for Control panel in the Start menu. Open the Control panel. Set View by to large icons. Open Credential Manager. Under Windows Credentials, look for any credential related to Microsoft Office. If found, select the drop-down menu and choose Remove. Confirm the delete. Search for File Explorer option and open it. Go to the View tab. In Hidden Files and Folders, select Show Hidden File Folder and Drive. Apply the changes. Now open File Explorer and navigate to your local disk C. Go to the following path: Users, your username, App Data, Local and Packages. Find the folder named Microsoft.a.broker/plugin/search and delete this folder. Once the folder is deleted, restart your computer. After restarting, you might want to restore the default File Explorer settings. Go to File Explorer option. In View tab and select Don't Show Hidden File Folders and Drives. After following these steps, the Microsoft Team error code 800900016 should be resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.